Okay, so let's look at the integral of logs with a base e. So basically anything in the form of f dash x on f of x will end up being a log with a base e. So if you wanted to find the integral of 3x over x squared plus 7 dx, then basically you need to take the 3 out. So you've got x on x squared plus 7 dx. And you look at the bottom part there, see how it's a power of 1? That's how you know that it will be a log and it's not like a reverse chain rule. So looking at this then, that means your f of x is equal to x squared plus 7. So your f dash x is equal to 2x. So that means that on top there should be a 2. So then you have to divide by the 2. So it ends up being 3 on 2 ln x squared plus 7. Just write it a little bit neater. So it's 3 on 2 ln x squared plus 7 plus c. So let's just look at a couple more. Let's just say we have 3x plus 3 on x squared plus 2x plus 9 dx. So you see that the bottom's power 1, and that's the bigger function, so that would be your f of x. And then you find f dash x and you get 2x plus 2. So looking at the top here, let's take the 3 out. So you're left with x plus 1 on x squared plus 2x plus 9 dx. The f dash x needs to be 2x plus 2. So if you times the top by 2 and divide by 2, then you end up with 3 on 2 ln of the bottom, x squared plus 2x plus 9 plus c. And don't forget the absolute value on your log. Alright, so let's just say we have x minus e to the minus x on e to the x plus e to the x dx. So when we're integrating this is a power of 1 on the bottom, so that's your f of x. If you found your f dash x, that would be e to the x. Wait a minute, this should actually have a minus there. E to the x minus e to the minus x. The actual question should have started with a minus x. Now if you look at the top, that's the top. So therefore it's in the form of f dash x on f of x. So it'll end up being ln of the bottom, which is ln of fx. So it's just ln of e to the x plus e to the minus x plus c. Alright, let's do this from 1 up to 3 of x on x cubed, x squared on x cubed minus 4 dx. Okay, so the derivative of that is 3x squared, so that should be a 3, and that would be a third. So it's 1 1/3 ln of the bottom, 1 to 3. 1 1/3 ln, 3 cubed minus 4, minus 1 1/3 ln. Actually, you can't have a 1 there, otherwise it's not going to fit the domain. I'm just going to change this to a plus 4, and that will make our life a little bit easier because it'll work out. So it's 3 to the 3 plus 4, and then it'll be 1 to the 3 plus 4. So it's 1/3 ln, 3 to the 3 is 27, 27 that will be 31, minus 1/3 ln, 1 plus 4 is 5. So it's 1/3 ln 31 over 5, because ln A minus ln B is equal to ln of A on B. So you divide. Okay, so let's say sine x over 1 plus cos x dx. I'm going to go from 0 to pi on 2. Okay, so looking at that, we look at the bottom. That's to the power of 1. That's how we know it's a log. F dash x equals minus sine x. So that's nearly set up. We just need that to be a minus. So that's minus ln of what's on the bottom. And we want to go from 0 to pi on 2. So it's minus ln 1 plus cos 90 minus ln 1 plus cos 0. So minus ln 1 plus cos 90. Cos 90 is 0. Okay, and then plus ln 1 plus cos 0 is just 1. So it ends up being ln 1 plus ln 2, which just ends up being ln 2, because ln 1 is just 0.